How to aggressively scale in Google Ads. Okay, whole story. I have a client who wishes to really grow their ad spend in Google Ads. He is not a crazy person or anything, really a lovely guy, and I like to work with him. However, his industry is super competitive, maybe super. So okay, maybe it's a type of from you. So super competitive. Shaving cream and accessories. He doesn't have a price point he does have a price point slightly above average, which sometimes make things complicated. And the account was never able to bypass a 2x ROA as return on investment, brand and non-branded combined. Their current ad spend is 3,000 to 4,000, which is very little. He shared a thought about wanted to scale to 30,000 a month. He didn't provide any timeline or anything. He acknowledged that it's challenging to scale profitably in this manner. However, even though I consider myself pretty knowledgeable on Google, I wonder if someone could share case studies or strategies that might spark some ideas on how to start scaling in a healthy way gradually. I know this is very generic and it might have tons of ways for doing that, but I just want to brainstorm a little bit. Imagine that we have from today until December to scale, not necessarily to 30k, but reaching 15k dollars per month would be a huge win. Okay, yeah. So this is an interesting question, and because you want to aggressively scale your investments. So before scaling out, there are a few things which need to keep in mind before scaling. So let's start this way. Okay, before scaling, what you have to do to keep in mind: conversion tracking working perfect. This is thing: anti-fit lock, fraud clicker installed, keeping an eye on competitors through SEMRush or SpyFu. Okay, landing page is fully optimized, which I think is because but you have to do it with the competitors to see your product versus them, USP, your unique selling proposition versus your competitors. So first of all, do the homework on this, guys. We need to come up with strategy. Okay, first of all, do the working, conversion tracking, everything related to tracking working fine. You have anti-fraud installed. You are keeping an eye on your competitors through SEMRush or SpyFu, how they're advertising, what they're advertising. Your landing page is optimized versus your competitors. If you could do a comparison of your landing page with their competitors, on which landing page you are convinced. If you are convinced with your landing page, if you convinced with your product, your offer is better than them, your USP is better than the competitors, then we are good to go on scaling the campaign. Now if you have clicked on all of the checkpoints over here, then moving on to the campaign type. So there are a few things which you can do for optimization. For instance, what you can do is you look around. First, if this is a campaign, you may look around for your search terms and insights and see around which keywords are working well for you, and then create a list of those, and then look around for your auction and insights to see who else is advertising, so you get a clear cut idea. If the customer do not buy from you, then whom from they are buying it. So you have a list of them, you have a list of your search terms. Look around for your locations or your time zone. Okay, let's go with devices first. Look around for your devices and see which devices are working well for you. You can do the bid adjustment, increase this if it's for mobile phone. Then move on to the where when ads are shown, look around for the peak timing, peak days when you are getting the most clicks. We can create a specific campaigns for them, and look around for where your ads are shown. So look around, if it's for digital display ads, you can look around where your ads are showing and see where you're getting the most conversions. Spend more over here, and then look around for your locations. Go into your country, city, and then look around for your city data, and then look around where you are getting. For instance, if you are getting most conversions in this over here at the lowest price, or what we can do is create specific campaign for Toronto. And if I look, I'm going to look for my cheapest over here. This is the most expensive. So let's say if I go with the cheapest one over here, so you may see over here that I got 3 to 4 conversions at the half of the rate of my current cost per conversion rate, which is this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for this city and Oshawa. I'm going to create a specific campaign. Maybe I can add the name of the city in my landing page as well to make it more customized, but I need to have more customized ads for them. And for the ads part, I think that I have told in many videos regarding ad asset optimization. Now this is a simple ad, but if we add different ad assets to the ads, this can make my ad very good. So follow this one. This can help you in increasing your ad spend. This can help you. And apart from this, this is SpyFu. You can use SpyFu for the competitor analysis. For instance, over here in the auction insights, I can see this as a competitor. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to write, and then I'm going to select my country over here. Then I'm going to ask the SpyFu to do the comparison and see. I can get their ads, ad history. It's loaded. I'm going to see their data for them, and I can see my ads, my reviews, how they are targeting. So I'm going to see the ads history to see their every ad they created, everything they created, the keywords they are targeting around, and I can now create a list of my keywords, list of things, and then come up with a strategy to increase. Now when I'm going to know my peak hours, my peak times, I'm going to spend more on those. I'm going to multiply or double my budget on those locations, those timings. To see, for instance, if I'm going to find out that Toronto 8 to 9 p.m. works very well, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., then I'm going to spend a lot of my budget on those 1 hour. I'm going to create a specific campaign for that hour to get more out of it. So yeah, these are the ways through which I can optimize and definitely make more money out of my campaigns. But in case if you need more insights or a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, or in case if you want us to manage your Google Ads campaign, you can hire me and my team. Just to let you know that we are a Google partner company, and we can definitely help you in sorting out the Google Ads issues, of ads optimization. Plus, we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency, and we help clients with web development, landing page development, and a lot of stuff. So in case if you need either of our services in either of the department, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description as the Google partner company. Thank you for watching, and I hope this answers questions as well. Take care. Bye bye.